Previous question, what was the question? Because we missed this question now. In that they are asking one question. If this question also we started na. This question what I said, question number 13, can you tell me, is it reflexive or not? What is the option here? Voice is coming or not? Now also voice is not coming. Now voice is coming, check. Voice is coming. Now look at. See, listen, can I start my work, please? If you people are serious, then otherwise I will start another class. So now look at 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It is reflexive. It is reflexive, but it is not symmetric. So it is reflexive and transitive, but it is not symmetric. So this part, Madesh, I am teaching your class only. If you want, you can come. I am teaching your class only. If you want, you can come. How, yaar? Only 1.5 hour completed. Remaining hour is yours only. Come fast. Oh, yo, I'm live. Understood. So it is reflexive but not symmetric and transitive. We'll go for next question. This question, how many was there? We added and we showed. So now let's tell me what and all work we have done here. Just one time I am going to solve this question because it will be recorded and kept with you. In this, two elements were given, 1, 2 and 2, 3. So when 1, 2 is there and 2, 3 is there, then how many elements are missing? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. After that, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 3, 1. So that means all 7 elements. Total how many elements were missing? 7 elements. So we did that part also. Now we are going for the next one. Can you say this part? So now look here, question number 15. So 2 questions already we said. Now we are starting question number 15. Now in question number 15, what is the question? First one time check. Let the relation R in the set A. See, first part you check. Here integer is given. See, listen, boys. When such situations are given, you first check what is given in the set. How many elements are there, Praveen? Can you tell me the elements that is present inside it? 12 elements are present, starting from 13. Very good. Now you are correct. How many elements are present inside? 13. Starting from 0. So if somebody will ask you, set A is having how many elements? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 12. So total 13 elements. Now what is the relation given to you? Relation given to you is A comma B such that A minus B modulus is a multiple of 4. So when, and then you have to find then equivalence class of 1. So see, this situation is given to you. This situation is given to you, means it is equivalence. This is equivalence. You don't have to do anything for that case. But what is the next part is, they are asking equivalence class. What they are asking? Equivalence class of 1. What they are asking? Equivalence class of 1. Now everybody understand what is the meaning of equivalence class for 1. Equivalence class for 1 means out of these two, anyone you are going to take it as 1. Understood? Then it will become A minus 1 is a multiple of 4. Now which numbers you are going to put here so that it will become multiple of 4? Come on, check this one out. Which number? Huh? Option A. See, 5 is not possible. 5 is not possible because the moment you are putting 5, 5 minus 1 is not divisible by 4. 5 minus 1 not divisible by, this is wrong. If we'll put 0, so 0 minus 1 is not divisible by 4. So that means this is also not true. All the element of A we can't take. Why? Because the moment you are taking here 3, 3 minus 1 will become 2. Is 2 divisible by 4? No. It will come fraction. 2 divisible by 4 means it is coming 1 by 2. It is coming as a fraction. Understood or not? It is coming as a fraction. So if it is coming as a fraction, it is not possible. So now what is the work left? Now we know that this is not there. Now beta 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 will become 0. Is 0 divisible by 4? Yes. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Is 4 divisible by 4? Yes. 9. 9 minus 1. It is coming as 8. Is 8 divisible by 4? Yes. So what is the correct answer for you? A. What is the correct answer for you? A. So A is the correct answer. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is exactly, so what is the correct answer here is 15. Understood. Now we will be going for question number 16. Come on, go for it. Good evening, Shivaranjani. Now everybody please start solving this question. Come on, come on, come on. Huh? Now look here, beta. First is given, this is actually an equivalence relation. This is what? Equivalence relation. How many of you are saying it is an equivalence relation? Can you say me please? Think and start. Is it equivalence? Okay. It is equivalence on what respect? Real number. Real number means beta fraction will also be there. If it is natural number, then only problem will be there. Understood or not? So fraction will be there. So now look here. 1 plus AB greater than 0. So reflexive. Any number repeating itself means 100% it is greater than 0. Negative, negative also will give you positive. So 100% it is an equivalence relation. So it is reflexive, transitive and symmetric. All three are there. It is reflexive, transitive and symmetric. So all three are there. Understood? But here one problem is there. If you people will be checking, S is a set of all natural number. Sorry, natural or real number. But is it going to be equivalence or not? We need to check. I told you one thing. Check this one out. I can write here 1, 1. See, only one thing. In class, I taught you people. I hope you are remembering that. Shivaranjani, is it going to be equivalence or not? Because, see, you remember, today you write it. Today you write 1 plus AB greater than 0. Is it an equivalence relation? The answer is no. Is it going to be an equivalence relation? The answer is absolutely no. Why? Now I'm going to prove it. Again and again I'm asking you, people are so confidently telling it is an equivalence relation. Okay, this is an equivalence relation. And this you will do in exam and you will come with a mistake. Are you understanding? This you will do and in exam you will come with mistake. You see here, if I write here A, real number, understand very clearly. If I write here any negative number, then here negative into negative will become positive. So any positive like minus 2 into minus 2 will become 4. And that means 5 is always greater than 0. So any negative number if I am putting, negative and positive. So because it is reflexive, reflexive says what beta? Reflexive says same number. Reflexive says same number. So if it is A, another number will also be A. So if it is minus 2, another number will also become minus 2. So minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 will become plus 4. So plus 4 plus 1 will become 5. And 5 is always greater than 0. I hope you might have understood. So here it is 100% reflexive. Here it is reflexive. It is said it is not reflexive. So this is wrong. Understood? Here also it is saying reflexive, reflexive. Now, beta, in the symmetric relation, what it is exactly given? In symmetric relation situation, what they are telling? If A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A must also belongs to R. But for this situation, first important is A comma B belongs to R. What has to be there? A comma B belongs to R. What is there? A comma B belongs to R. That situation has to be there. So here A comma B is belonging to R. Correct only now. I will take 1 and 2. 1 into 2 and then here it will become 2 into 1. So definitely 1 into 2 is there and it is satisfying the condition, then its reverse will also satisfy the condition. Correct? So if 1 into 2 is there, then 2 into 1 will also satisfy the condition. Got it? So it is symmetric also. What it is? Symmetric. So this is also symmetric. Here symmetric written. Here it is telling not symmetric. But we proved it is symmetric. Correct now? So if 2 into 1 plus 1 is coming. That means if we will reverse the order, then 2 it is coming symmetric now. So this is symmetric. So here A and D, out of these two, anyone will become the correct answer. It is reflexive also, symmetric also. Now we need to check it is transitive or not. The entire slot is now fixed in transitive. Is it going to be transitive or it is not going to be transitive? Understood or not? Now let's check for transitive. For transitive, can I write like this? I told you now, minus 1, 1 and 0. If these three numbers you will take your story, you will come to know. Are you understanding? So here, this number should always be greater than 0. Correct? So first time we will do one work. We will write 1 plus minus 1, or we will not take 0. We will take 1 by 2. Three numbers we took. So minus 1 into 1 by 2. How much it is coming, beta? Check. I took three numbers. First I took minus 1 and half. It will become 1 minus 1 by 2. What is coming? 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is greater than 0. Done. Second part. 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2. How much it is coming? 1 plus 1 by 2. How much it is coming? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is always greater than 0. Now we will do one thing. We will take, first we took A, B. Then we took B, C. Now can I take A and B? You are understanding? Now this time we will write 1 plus 1 into minus 1. It is coming 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 cannot be greater than 0. Is it transitive? By taking only three elements, see this question they will give for proof also. You need to be very specifically. Always remember 1 plus AB strictly greater than 0 is not equivalence. Why? Which part it is failing? Transitive. Which part it is failing is transitive. Remember very nicely. Which part it is failing is transitive. So here it is not transitive. So which one is the correct answer? Is it an equivalence relation? No, it is not at all equivalence relation. Now, beta, we'll go for the next one. Going for it, check this one out. R and R dash are symmetric relations, not disjoint. This question goes to you. You people think very nicely. Understood not? Huh? Come on, go for it. Think nicely. R and R dash. This question, if it is coming, means what can be the answer? Tell. Huh? R and R dash. R and R dash are symmetric relations. Both are symmetric relations. What are they? Symmetric relations, not disjoint. Disjoint means there must be some common elements in that. Disjoint means they will not have any common element. Disjoint means what? They must have not no common elements. But here now common elements are there. Yes or no? See, they are telling not disjoint. Not disjoint means normal call karo. Not disjoint means what? When they are asking not disjoint means ki R and R dash are symmetric relations. Vishwa, you are calling. Yes, Vishwa, say. Vishwa, I'm in live class. What happened, say? Anupuram. Same time, 6 o'clock. Post in group. Six o'clock, I have to keep 10th, otherwise they will be jumping here and then and dancing. Huh? 6 to 7, you will sit here and practice maths. 7 o'clock, again I am starting. Any problem? You need food? Anything you need? Food I can't provide. You provide. I am not eating. Huh? Can I see God's person eating non-veg? Can I teach or not? You say. You are spoiling my video. Now look here. R and R dash are symmetric relations. What they are? Symmetric relations. Symmetric relations means if any element is present in R, A comma B, then B comma A will also be there. Okay. On a set A, then the relation R intersection R dash will be symmetric or not. Decide and say. Shivaranjani, can you tell me what is the answer if you are present in the group? Say if two set elements are symmetric, then its intersection will be symmetric or not? The answer is yes, it will be symmetric. Well done, very good. So the correct answer will be B. Yes, it will be symmetric. It will be symmetric. Now here, go for next one. Come here, Madesh. So now look here. Please try this question out. Everyone, please try this question. I hope you have understood. Madesh, shall we start revision, please? Now look here. This question is, R is a relation. Madesh, first video KV children have missed. So please watch that video. It will be very helpful for you. Okay. Now come on, go for it. R is a relation on the set of natural number denoted by n related to m. N is a factor of m. N is a factor of m. What is n? N is a factor of m. Got it? So now what is R? R is reflexive symmetric, transitive symmetric, equivalence reflexive symmetric but not transitive. And your time starts now. Come on, check this one out. See beta, N is a, see, this is telling, I will not say anything. You people judge and inform me the answer. Try. Is it an equivalence relation? How many of you are saying it is an equivalence relation? The answer is no. It will not be an equivalence relation. First, I am warning you. Every relation what I am teaching you is having a specific criteria. Correct now? Now here, the first part you need to attend first. Understand. R is a relation defined on what? Set of natural number. So when natural number is given, you remember very nicely, fractions will not be belonging to natural number. Fractions will not belong to natural number. Understood? So here, what is there? They're telling n is a factor of m. N is a factor of m means what? N can divide m. N can divide m. So we know that for reflexive relation, a comma a will be there. So a can divide a. Correct na? A can very well divide. A number can divide itself always. A number can divide itself always. So this statement is always true. Got it? Second is symmetric. In symmetric, A can divide B. Correct na? But B cannot divide A. Why? Look here. 2 can divide 4. What answer will come? 2. 2 belongs to natural number. Santosh, look here. 2 is dividing 4. What result it is giving? 2. 2 is natural number. But when 4 will go and divide 2, what will come? 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural number. 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural number. So since 1 by 2 is not belonging to natural number, it is not at all a symmetric relation. So where it is written reflexive and symmetric, no, this will become wrong. Transitive and symmetric, wrong. Equivalence will also become wrong. Then what is the correct answer coming? So we need not to go to transitive itself. Correct now? So here it is reflexive 100%. Is it transitive? Yes. How it is transitive? 2 can divide 4. 4 can divide, 8 can be divided by 4. That means 2 can also be dividing 8. Correct now? So it is reflexive and transitive, but it is not at all symmetric. So these type situation questions you need to solve. You people are not putting effort now. Please kindly go for this question. Is it done? Hello? Hello? Yes, ma'am? Yes, Dhanush, yes. 7 to 9 beta. Answer C. What I did is I continuously kept your class till 7 o'clock. Okay, so that you sit here till 7 o'clock. After that, you will go, but these people will sit and continuously in between 5 minutes break, not more than that. Understand or not? 7 till 7 I'm going to teach you people. After that, because function also we have to study, we don't have that much time. How you are thinking? Understood or not? So now look here, this video second part. Can you tell me what is the correct answer here? Is it an equivalence relation? Come on, tell quickly. Say, is it going to be an equivalence relation? The correct answer, Madesh, don't sit like that and say me. First, you people inform, you told it is not an equivalence relation. That question, I don't know. It may be wrong, it may be right. You people first analyze. Without analyzation, simply you people are telling. That is not going to work in board examination. You need to have some clear-cut answers. This is the stage when only 10-20 days left. We can't say like that. First, analyze. Every question I'm analyzing is not going to work. You people tell. Now look at everyone. First is, let n be a fixed positive integer. What is n? Integer. Integer means it can be positive and negative. 1, then -1 is also possible. 5 means -5 is also possible. So positive integer it is. After that, let a relation R is defined in L, the set of all integer as follows. Now, can you see better? They are exactly relation R. They are telling that one line they have this. What does this means? That ki A minus B is divisible by N. Understood? So A minus B is divisible by N. This is the same situation as any number divisible by N. Got it or not? So here, then the relation R will be, see, fixed positive integer. What integer? Fixed positive integer. Here only one problem can arise, but we will check. Fixed positive integer, relation R can be defined by this line L. That means what? The set of all integer as follows. That means this means that if A minus B is divisible by N, the relation is what? So they have already told that this is if this is divisible by N. That means 100% reflexive relation. Same element can be divided by same element. Correct or not? So A minus B can be divided by A minus B. Understand or not? Now, if this can be divisible by N and positive integer is there, its reverse can also be divisible. Correct? No? So, what type of relation it will have? It will have equivalence relation. So, divisibility part is always equivalence relation. Divisibility part is always equivalence relation. So, like A minus B, modulus of A minus B divisible by 4. Just before that, na, it was equivalence. And after that only, what we did, we found its equivalence class. Got it? So, shall we go for the next one, please? We'll go for the next part. Go for question number 20. This question is a good question. Question number 20, please kindly check. This question came CBSE 2024. CBSE 2024, very recent question. Pressurized answer. You please kindly check and then you say. Very carefully do this question. Come on, tell what I have to do here in this question. No answers? See, look here, beta. Now, how to catch these type of questions? See, think if the same question will come in board exam this year, what will be your steps? How you are going to proceed? If you don't know anything, means 100% you are going to again leave this question and come from examination. Now, first understand, they only scared you in this question. Meaning is very simple. If you will take the meaning, it is a very simple question and it is not going to affect you long. Understood? Now, look here, check this one out. Which of the following statement is not true? It is not about truth. It is not true about equivalence classes. Equivalence classes, they are not asking about equivalence relation. Not true. First, it should be false. It should be false. And about whom they are asking? Equivalence class. It is not about equivalence relation. When equivalence class is coming, when a relation is equivalent relation, then only we are finding its equivalent class. You people are ready to listen me or not? When we are finding equivalence class, when the relation is equivalent relation, after that only we are finding equivalent class. Understood not? So many times we have checked, first it followed equivalence relation and then we have found equivalence class. Correct? So here they are not asking correct answer, they are asking which of them is not true. So now let's check. They are telling equivalence class formed by equivalence relation are defined on set A. Formed by equivalence relation are defined on set A. First part, beta, very carefully check. This section, very carefully check. All the elements union, see what it is, beta, AI. I is coming as 1 to N. Correct? Union they are telling. Are you understanding? So whatever subsets are there, A1, A2, A3, A4, whatever kuti subsets will be there, they all will combine to make A. Is it true statement or not? Correct only, na? The subsets are always a part of set. Are you understanding? What does this AI means here? AI means A1. If I put 2, what it will become? A2. If A2 will be there, next what it will come? A3. Till where we will go? AN. And union of all the set will become A. Is it a true relation or not? Yes. Because we know that small sets when joined together, it will make the biggest set. And the biggest set is A itself. Because A is having how many elements? AI can go for N. Understood? So whatever we will join, it will give us A only. Shivatsan, good evening, beta. Now B part you check nicely. They are telling A1 intersection AI intersection AJ is not equal to 5. When I is not equal to 5, I is not equal to J. It's not at all a true statement. Are you understanding? Why? Because there may be this situation when A can be having only this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Only 3 elements will be there. Got it? They're talking about equivalence class. Equivalence class comes when it is equivalent relation. Understood? So two relations, this is equivalent and this is equivalent. But when their intersection is coming, they can be 5. They can be 5. But they're telling it will never be equal to 5 when I is not equal to J. So this statement is not true. Good evening, Srivatsan. Please kindly join and study this part, beta. Very important questions we are solving. Okay. You understood or not? So, beta, this statement is not true. This can be 5. Disjoint of 2 set can be possible now. Disjoint. See, I am having some element, I am equivalence class. You are having some element, you are also equivalence class. So, there may be some element which is common, there may be some element which is not common. So, I cannot say directly this is going to be not 5. It can be 5. So, this section question can be taken very nicely. Now, beta, third part, that means this is wrong statement. This is correct statement. That means all elements of AI are related to each other. That is a true statement. Huh? If I am writing, because they have already written it is an equivalence class. Equivalence class means they all will be related to each other. Connection will be there. Next, this section is there means I is equal to, this part is absolutely, if any element is belonging to I, any element is belonging to J means definitely that element is common in both I and J. So this is again a true statement. They were searching which statement? False statement. Understood? Did you understood or not understood? See, this is total about the elements that is present. What it is about? Elements. So because the elements which is present inside the set, its union and intersection plays a vital role. Got it or not? So intersection common can have disjoint, Okay, I am an equivalent relation. I'm having my own terms and condition. You are an equivalent relation. You have your own terms and condition. But some reflexive relation elements can be common. Correct now? But they are telling it is not at all common. Is it possible? No. Now we will go for this question. Can you go for question number 21, please? Try this question 21. Please use your brain. When that a set of triangles will be congruent or not? Set of triangles, see, a triangle can be congruent to itself. Correct na? A triangle can be congruent to itself. If I am a triangle and you are a triangle, if I am congruent to you, then you are also congruent to me. Very good, Vatsan. Bingo. So, and third part is I am congruent to you. You are congruent to him. That means we both are congruent. So it's what type of answer? Equivalence. See, remember, triangle congruency. Triangle equivalence class, correct, Dharunesh. Triangle congruency and triangle similarity, both are equivalence. Understood or not? Now I taught you one thing. I'm asking you this question. Srivatsan, Shakti Priyan, can you answer me? Is it equivalence? Just now I taught. Is it, how many of you saying it is equivalence? Raise your hand. No, none of you. Good. Where it is failing? Is it failing reflexive? Is it failing symmetric? Is it failing transitive? Yes. So it will fail what? Transitive. Understood? But if instead of this, one small change they will do, then it will be equivalence. If they will put equality sign, then it will be equivalence. But if they will not put equality sign, means it will not be equivalence, because it will be failing which one? Transitive case. It will be failing which case? Transitive case. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is again another important point to be noted. Can we go for question number 22, please? See, these many questions you have done, you need to understand this part. Option is D. Now, beta, what they are telling that A, R is a relation in set A of all books in library of college given. Have same number of pages. Same number of pages means reflexive it will come. Reflexive it will come. If it is reflexive means it can be symmetric also. My book and your book, two different books, but page number is same. So reverse. My book your book and his book. Page number same. Transitive, transitive, then transitive. It is what type of relations? Can you tell? It is equivalence relation. No need to check. Answer is D. Can we go for the next question, please? Question number 23. This is a very important question. 23 is NCERT format based questions. Please kindly do. Please kindly do this question number. Ravinish is answering. Yeah, I am also seeing. Now, please, Santosh, focus. S is the set of all points in a plane and R be a relation on S defined as, see, distance between P and Q is less than 2 units. How we are going to do it? S is a set of all points in a plane and R be a relation on S defined as this. So R is a relation. Understood? They're asking distance less. See, one thing only. Distance between 2 points is less than 2 units. Less than 2 units. So distance between me and same point. Reflexive means what, beta? Same number. Na? So P and P, they will always be coinciding together. So it is the distance will be less than 2. Correct or wrong? Think very nicely. See how it is. A comma A belongs to R. A is distance from A. So a point distance to itself, 0 distance, and 0 is always less than 2. So it is reflexive. Correct? Now symmetric. If A comma B belongs to R, that is A minus B is less than 2 kilometer. Correct now? Then B minus A will also be less than 2 kilometer. Correct or wrong? So it is also going to be symmetric. So it is going to be symmetric. But is it going to be transitive? Check. A minus B is less than 2 kilometer. B minus C is less than 2 kilometer. Will A minus C be less than 2 kilometer? No. Why? If the path is coming like this, A, B, C, this is less than 2 kilometer. Just take this one as 1.2 kilometer. Correct? Now this is less than 2 kilometer. Can we take it as 1.9 kilometer? Now, if A and D, this distance we will add, how much is the possibility? 2.1 kilometer. 2.1 kilometer is not less than 2 kilometer. Correct now? So the third situation is transitive is failing. Transitive is failing. So that means what? It is reflexive symmetric, but it is not transitive. It is reflexive symmetric, but it is not transitive. So this is the most important thing. Now next question, do. Solving wrong answer and with very proud, wait, sending the solutions. Did you solve that question, beta? What is the correct answer here? Huh? Tell. X is a family of sets. Family of sets. Sets means what? But X is a family of sets. Can you imagine a family of sets is there? Means different type of sets are there. X can be a bigger set because it is taking all the sets inside it. Correct, na? All the elements. R be a relation in X defined by A is disjoint from B. A is disjoint from B. then what answer is going to? A is disjoint from B. Means A is a set, B is a set. They both are in X. Are you understanding? A is a set, B is a set. They both are in set. Answer is wrong. A is a set. Not to you. One student has sent one answer and proudly asking, I am correct, I am correct. Yeah? No, another person. See, listen. See, please understand one thing. 10th standard students are also there. They're doing big, like this, they're writing. See, interruption point is here. They like this. Sine theta, wait. Sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta is there. After that, here sine theta is there. Minus cos theta is there. So sine theta automatically getting cut by them. How it is possible? How it is possible, you say? And with proudly they are saying that my answer is correct or wrong. I will not put bulb in that. I will put fuel in that. It will burn nicely. Now look at it. Please kindly. Which part? Vatsan, Shivaranjani, Darunesh. Huh? Vatsan, Shivaranjani, Darunesh, are you there? They're there. One person is only there. I don't know. KV people today what? Huh? 4 o'clock. You did not went to school. What is the time now? Now it is 5:30. In 1.5 hours they are not ready. Now look here. Can I start? See, X is a family C. A is disjoint from B. Then relation R is it going to be reflexive? 100% it is not going to be reflexive. How it is not going to be reflexive? X is a family of sets. Okay. Now R is a relation in X. That means R is a subset of X cross X. Defined by A is disjoint from B. Our relation itself is telling that A is disjoint from B. A set can never be disjoint of itself. Remember this. I am a set. Can I be different from myself? No. Will I be reflexive? No. Understood? Now I am disjoint from you. Means I am having some element which is not present in you. I am having some elements which is not present in you. Then your element will be same to me or not? No. So that means it is 100% going to be symmetric. But I am not equal to you. You are not equal to him. But that does not means that I can be equal. I am not equal to him because some elements will be there which can be common between. But their condition is called as disjoint. Understood? A set can never be disjoint to itself. A cannot be disjoint to A. Are you understanding? A cannot be disjoint to it because whatever elements is present in A, it will be present in A. Correct? So it will never be reflexive. Understood? Second, stop that. Symmetric. A is disjoint to B means none of the common element are there between me and you. If I don't have any common element with you means you don't have any common element with me. So what part will come? Is it going to be symmetric? The answer is yes. But is it going to be transitive? No. Because I am disjoint to you. I don't have any other common element. You are disjoint to C. But there must be some element between C and A which can be common. Understood? So it is not necessary. So this transitive will not be there. So what is the correct answer is? Symmetric. So the correct answer is B option and that is considered as symmetric. We'll go for next question and your time starts now. Watson, very good, well deserved. Go for this answer. Yeah. You don't want class means I will cancel the class. Only 2 hours is over and you are giving up. That type of study I never did. For me, if a teacher is ready to teach means I'll always be ready to study. Now look here, he's having chemistry practical. He's having chemistry practical in school. Going to change means? Okay, okay. Go. Now look here. Next question, check. N divided by n divides m means that n is a factor of m. What does this mean? If a line will be there now, what is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line? N divides m. That means m is divided by n. N is a factor of m. Means m is divided by n. Then relation, this is z minus 0. Means definitely from integer, 0 have to be removed. 0 has to be removed. Otherwise, if a 0 will be there, then it will become infinity. So what has to be removed? 0 has to be removed. So we removed 0. So now what and all things are there? M divided by n is there. This is the situation. Is it going to be reflexive, symmetric? What type relation it is having? Come on, say. A number can divide itself. Is it true? So is it going to be reflexive? Yes. Understood? Here reflexive is not written. So this is gone. Understood? Now 4 can be divided by 2. But will 2 be divided by 4? No, no. Because they are asking about integer. What they are asking about? Integer. But this will bring, this is not integer. So that means what? Symmetric. It cannot be symmetric. But here they are telling symmetric. So this is also wrong. So here also they are writing symmetric. So what is the correct answer? Option D is going to be the correct answer. Very good, Shivasan. So what is the correct answer here is option D. Super. So whenever factor questions are coming means it will be reflexive, it will be transitive, but it will not be symmetric. It will not be symmetric. Note down every single part, note down, point, note down. Factor questions always be reflexive and transitive, but it will never be symmetric. It will never be symmetric. Is it done, beta? Did you got this point, beta? This is the most important thing we must be able to understand. So now we will go for 100% we understood one potential thing. Now we will go for this question and your time starts now. Try this question, beta. One question also answered not coming from you, Madesh. I'm watching everything. First video you watch, because all basics I taught. Afternoon na, when I started na, first I taught all the basics of relation. Just to see that video, you'll get the full clear. Okay, good. Okay, first we will take a break. After that, this question we will solve. I need to discuss with all of you something.